Today I'll show you how to hard reset the LENOVO Tab M10 through Settings. To get started, open Settings. Scroll all the way down to System, choose Reset Options, then tap Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will remove your Google account, system data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. It removes everything you've added after setup. If there's anything you'd like to keep, back it up first, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. Assuming you're ready, tap Reset Tablet, then erase everything, and the process will begin. This will take a couple of minutes, and once finished you'll see the Android setup screen. The process is now complete and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.